Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I discuss an interesting topic. Shopify SEO Guide for Beginners, 2026. What is Shopify SEO? Shopify SEO means optimizing your Shopify store so it appears on Google when people search for products you sell. Right finger example. If someone searches, buy leather wallet online, SEO helps your Shopify store show on page 1 instead of ads or big brands. Why Shopify SEO is extremely important in 2026. Google prefers fast, AI-optimized, user-focused stores. Paid ads are very expensive. SEO gives free traffic plus long-term sales. AI search, Google SGE, favors optimized product pages. How Google ranks Shopify stores in 2026. Google checks. Search intent, is your page useful? Page speed, mobile experience, AI-friendly content, product page optimization, trust and reviews, backlinks. Step-by-step Shopify SEO Guide, Beginners. Step Keycap 1 Keyword Research, most important part. What is a keyword? A keyword is what people type on Google. Best free tools. 2026, Google Search, Auto Suggest, Google Keyword Planner. Answer the Public, ChatGPT, for intent ideas. Best keywords for Shopify stores. Product keywords, wireless earbuds for gym. Buyer intent keywords. Buy, best, cheap, review. Long tail keywords. Easy ranking, best wireless earbuds under $50. Step Keycap 2 Shopify Store Structure, SEO Friendly. Home Collection Page Product Page. SEO Tips. Checkmark 1 Main Niche Only. Crossmark too many random products equals bad SEO. Checkmark Clear Categories. Checkmark Simple Navigation. Step Keycap 3 On Page SEO for Shopify. Product Page Optimization. 1. Product Title Crossmark Wrong. Premium Earbuds. Checkmark Right. Wireless Bluetooth Earbuds for gym and running, brand name. 2. Product Description. 2026 SEO Style, Google loves, helpful, human, AI readable, not copy-paste. 3. Meta Title and Meta Description. Meta Title, 60 characters. Wireless earbuds for gym. Long battery life. Brand. Buy high-quality wireless earbuds for gym workouts. Sweatproof. Long battery. Fast delivery. Step Keycap 4 Image SEO. Most people ignore this fearful face. Image optimization tips. Rename images. Crossmark IMG 123.jpg. Checkmark wireless earbuds for gym.jpg. Use alt text. Compress images. Faster speed. Pushpin Google Images brings hidden traffic. Step Keycap 5 Shopify Page Speed Optimization. In 2026, speed equals ranking plus sales. Speed tips. Use lightweight theme. Remove unused apps. Compress images. Enable lazy loading. Use Shopify CDN. Step Keycap 6 Mobile SEO. Non-negotiable. 85% Shopify traffic equals mobile. Checklist. Checkmark responsive theme. Checkmark big buttons. Checkmark easy checkout. Checkmark fast loading. Google uses mobile-first indexing. Step Keycap 7 Content Marketing for Shopify SEO. Best content types. Blog posts, buying guides, comparison articles, FAQs pages. Blog examples. Best shoes for standing all day, 2026 guide. How to choose the right smartwatch. Right finger blogs bring traffic. Right pointing arrow convert to sales. Step Keycap 8 AI SEO and Google SGE Optimization, 2026 Special. In 2026, Google uses AI summaries. Short, clear answers rank higher. Optimize for AI search. Use FAQs. Use bullet points, clear headings. H2, H3, answer questions directly. Step Keycap 9 Backlinks for Shopify. Off-page SEO. What is a backlink? Another website linking to your store. Easy backlink methods. Product reviews. Guest blogging. Influencer mentions. Business directories. Step Keycap 10 Shopify SEO mistakes to avoid. Crossmark copy product descriptions. Crossmark too many apps. Crossmark no keywords. Crossmark ignoring blogs. Crossmark slow website. Crossmark no internal linking. Best Shopify SEO apps 2026.
SEO Manager, Tiny IMG, Smart SEO, JSON LD for SEO, Plugin SEO. How long does Shopify SEO take? 1 to 2 months. Indexing. 3 to 4 months. Small traffic. 6 to 12 months. Big results. SEO is a long-term game. Advanced Shopify SEO Guide 2026. How user intent works in Shopify SEO 2026. Google no longer ranks keywords, it ranks intent. 4 types of search intent. Informational, what is Shopify SEO? Commercial, best Shopify themes for SEO. Transactional, buy running shoes online. Navigational, Nike official store. Shopify stores should focus on commercial, transactional. Beginner's mistake, targeting informational keywords on product pages. Crossmark. Collection page SEO most powerful in Shopify. Collection pages rank better than product pages in 2026. How to optimize collection pages. Add 300 to 600 words content. Include short intro, keyword-rich headings, FAQs at bottom. Use internal links to products. Example, collection title, Best Wireless Earbuds for Gym and Sports 2026. Internal linking strategy, Hidden SEO boost. Internal links help Google understand your store. Smart linking tips, blog right pointing arrow collection, collection right pointing arrow product, product right pointing arrow related product. Example, check our best-selling wireless earbuds for gym workouts. This increases rankings, time on site, sales. Reviews and trust signals ranking factor in 2026. Google trusts stores with customer reviews, star ratings, real photos, trust badges. SEO benefits, higher center, better rankings, more conversions. Schema markup very important. Schema helps Google show star ratings, price, stock status. Types for Shopify, product schema, review schema, FAQ schema, breadcrumb schema. EEAT for Shopify stores. Google checks, experience, expertise, authority, trust. AI generated content, safe or dangerous? In 2026, AI content is allowed check mark. Low quality AI content is penalized cross mark. Best practice, use AI for structure. Add human touch, add real examples, add FAQs. Shopify SEO analytics, what to track. Must track metrics, organic traffic, keyword ranking, conversion rate, bounce rate, page speed. Free tools, Google Search Console, Google Analytics, Bing Webmaster Tools. A/B testing for SEO 2026 trend. Test, product titles, meta descriptions, images, CTA buttons, SEO plus crow equals money bag. Black hat SEO techniques to avoid. Google penalties are brutal in 2026. Crossmark keyword stuffing, crossmark fake backlinks, crossmark hidden text, crossmark duplicate stores. 90 DAY Shopify SEO plan beginners. Month 1, keyword research, fix store structure, optimize main pages. Month 2, product descriptions, collection SEO, blog content. Month 3, backlinks, speed optimization, analytics review. Future of Shopify SEO 2027 plus sneak peek. Voice search optimization, visual search Google Lens, AI shopping assistance, zero-click searches. I hope these all informations are very useful for beginners and deeper and add advanced plus 2026 specific insights. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.